Back on another video here. As you guys can see, we have all of this equipment. We have about 9 pieces. Let me come back here. All right, guys. So we got all this equipment here. We have the compact shaker, the same one you guys see us print with under Flash Custom Transfers. This, we have 4 of these 24-inch compact shakers, tan style, where the exhaust comes out and then plugs into the fume extractor. That's the system that we print with. The set we're selling for $5 grand. Flash Print Depot, if you have any, flashprintdepot@gmail.com. If you have any questions, we're selling the set for $5 grand. Let us know, but price is negotiable, so let us know if you want more than one. I think we have about 4 more in Dallas, 4 more sets in Dallas, but this is everything that we brought down today. Brought down 9 pieces on a truck. So we are not going to sell the filter individually, because then if we do that, somebody tries to buy a shaker, they're not gonna have a filter. We don't want any issues. So there's 1 filter for every compact shaker. Then we also have traditional IFAR white style shakers. Contact us because we have a single price and then we have a wholesale price. So if you buy a few of them, $1,500 a pop, okay? But you gotta buy more than one. And we got a single price, but again, right price. We have about 19 more in Dallas. So the goal is, if we could, depending on how fast we move this one. Again, this has the built-in filtration. You guys have seen these all over since the beginning of DTF. These right here, everything is 220 volt except for this. This is 110. I know a lot of people ask that. All the shakers are 220. The filters on 110. If you want this one, we have a lot more in Dallas, but we brought this one down to see how fast we can move it. These always move pretty quick. Some people are always wishy-washy on if they want the IFAR style shakers, but we do have a ton of them. We have more IFAR style shakers than we do the small compact shakers. As you can see from the box, this one is bigger than this one, but because this one has the filtration built in. And then right here, we have all of our rollers. So many people have been asking us about these rollers. I got them in the back of the truck. I think we have 15 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of these rollers, 75 bucks a pop. These things are perfect really for anything. If you're in DTF at all, brand new sewn box, if you're in DTF at all, or if you're in any type of printing, these rollers come in handy. They can do so much stuff. But we use them in DTF because we use them at the end of our printer. At the end of our print runs, we put the roll on the end, roll it up as we cut out transfers. And then if you are printing to a roll, you can put this on here, pull your transfer out and cut it, each one, and it sits nice on these rolls. 75 bucks a pop. We got a bunch here. We got 15 here. I think we got another 10 more in Dallas in the warehouse. So everything that we have, guys, just want to make this quick video to kind of put out, let everybody know what we have available here. Right now, all this equipment has to go. Shoot us a deal, come make a deal, swing by, but preferably email us so that we can schedule to actually be here. Don't just pull up on Houston DTF Transfers talking about something, oh, I saw this equipment, da-da-da. No, email us first so that we can schedule to come out here. And you will need, we do have a forklift to throw it on your truck if you need it, but only during certain times of the day. So have your ability to, especially this one. I think predominantly, I don't know about this forklift, but maybe one over there, if you come at certain times, we should be able to get it onto your truck. These fit in a regular truck bed. This one is gonna need like a trailer or something, unless maybe it can fit in a truck bed, I don't know. No warranty on anything, we're not warrantying anything. Everything is brand new in a box. It's as is, cash rules everything. So if you guys maybe are a wholesaler, or if you guys already sell DTF equipment, maybe you wanna pick up some pieces for cheap and sell them for a retail price. Again, we have a lot more equipment in Dallas. So moving forward, we are going to bring everything from Dallas down to Houston and sell all this equipment. We have a ton of it. So flashprintdepot@gmail.com. Email me right now, email us, and let's get some of this equipment sold.